The Volvo XC90 key fob, commonly used in models from 2015 to 2024, can be easily opened to replace the battery. First, locate the small latch, often found on the side or bottom edge of the fob, near the keyring. Slide this latch using a small tool like a flathead screwdriver or even your fingernail. This releases the internal locking mechanism. Once the latch is released, carefully pry open the case. A guitar pick or a plastic opening tool helps to split the two halves without causing damage. Avoid using metal tools that can scratch or damage the plastic. With the case open, you'll see a CR2032 lithium coin cell battery secured by a metal clip. Gently remove the old battery and insert the new CR2032, ensuring the positive side faces up. Static electricity can damage the circuit board, so avoid touching it unnecessarily. After inserting the new battery, carefully snap the two halves of the key fob case back together. Ensure all the internal clips align correctly for a secure fit. Finally, test the key fob to confirm the new battery is working. Newer models may also send low battery alerts via the Volvo Cars app, connecting to the fob via Bluetooth. If it's not working, reopen the case and double-check the battery orientation and that the metal contacts are clean.